If you think managing construction projects can't get any easier, let me tell you about my game changer, BBS Plus. I used to drown in paper calculations and spreadsheets for bar bending schedules. It was tedious, time-consuming, and, honestly, stressful. But then I discovered BBS Plus. This cutting-edge software that's transformed the way I work. First off, the comprehensive BBS preparation feature is a lifesaver. It automatically calculates cut lengths and weights with pinpoint accuracy. No more second-guessing or worrying about errors. The user-friendly interface means I barely needed any training to get started. And it comes in flexible editions: silver, gold, and platinum, perfect for every project size. I have chosen the platinum version, and it's been perfect for my projects. Plus, no subscription fees, just a lifetime license. Another feature I love is the customized reports. I can export everything in Excel format, which makes sharing with my team so much easier. And the rebar optimization, it minimizes material wastage like a pro. It uses the off-cut bar and reduces the wastage. I'm now saving time and costs without compromising on quality. This software has truly helped me deliver professional output to clients and stakeholders. I even started with a 15-day free trial, which allowed me to explore everything before committing. Trust me, after using BBS Plus, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So, if you want to elevate your construction projects and take the guesswork out of BBS, you need BBS Plus. Visit excelinlife365.com for more details.